tapping in, ladies. Welcome again back to Yolanda's Place. I'm so happy that you're here. And if you would like to hear more on how to treat a musty vagina odor, please stay with me. Thank you again for sticking with me, and please like and subscribe this video. So ladies, as I try to put a wax scent in my wax burner, and it smells quite lovely. And tonight we have from Sensationals, we have Mystic, okay? And tonight I asked my son, I said, I don't know what this smells like, but it smells really nice. I said, what does it smell like to you? And so he opens it up and he smells it, and he's 13, right? And he goes, a unicorn. It's like, okay, all right, I can go with that. A unicorn, okay. It's fresh, it's sparkly, it's feminine, and it really is a nice feminine scent that is out in the air tonight. So I thought I'd share that with you. Okay, so as you know, I read from my notes, and we are talking about how to treat how to treat a musty vagina odor, and let's get started. First, you want to get a bag of sugar. Yes, a bag of white sugar. You want to exfoliate your body from head to toe, between your toes, under your breast area. Lift those booty cheeks up, exfoliate all up there, between your legs, behind your knees, and your knees, the full body. And then let's not forget our most important part that we're here to talk about is the vagina area. Okay, you want to take your sugar very lightly, be gentle. You only get one kitty cat, okay? Only one. Exfoliate that area, and let me share with you that area, what that area is. The area is, the vagina area has a clitoris hood, an inner labia, an outer labia, a urethral opening, and again, the vagina, and in the general area behind is the anus area. So those are the areas that we're talking about tonight that we are treating for a musty vagina area, okay? So once we've exfoliated with our sugar, we are in our bath, we are in our shower. You know, I prefer a bath. This is this is your decision on how you want to do this or not even do this. So if you've stuck around with me this far, please like my video, please comment, and help me grow my channel. So let's move forward on really while we're here. So the musty vagina area that we're treating, what we first want to do again is do our white sugar all over for exfoliating, and then we want to go through with the antibacterial soap. I will link below an antibacterial soap that I've used in the past, and you can go from there as far as if that's something that you'd like to use. And then with the antibacterial soap, even though we're here talking about the vagina area, we are going to use it from head to toe, okay? Our antibacterial soap. We're going to lift up our boob area because the bacteria hides underneath there. We sweat, we're wearing bras, our boob, our breast area flop over that area underneath. So we want to get that as we want to clean that as much as possible. And also when we're exfoliating, we want to exfoliate that area also. And then we want to exfoliate up underneath our armpits also, along with everything else. So when we're using our antibacterial soap, we're basically giving ourselves a bath or shower that you would normally give yourself, underarms, between your toes, and so on, and in your vagina area. We don't want it to stay on too long in the vagina area, in between your legs, because it's not pH balanced for the vagina area, but we're trying to combat a musty odor, and we're only going to be doing this for a short period of time. Okay? Right? Okay. So we use the antibacterial soap, and then we rinse our antibacterial soap off. So we've exfoliated with our sugar, we've done our antibacterial soap, and up underneath that buttocks area, let's not forget that area, it's important, it hides bacteria also. And after we do that, we're going to have a paste. I didn't make the paste tonight. I can make it on another video and just show you how to do so and what the consistency is like. But you're going to make yourself a baking soda paste. So the paste is going to be basically a paste of, maybe it'll look like oatmeal with the consistency. Not too thick, not too thin, but you want it to be able to be placed on your vagina area. You want the clitoris hood, you want all of that to be covered with your baking soda paste. And in your baking soda paste, if you like, put some lime juice, because limes are disinfectants internally and outside of your body. So we're fighting a musty odor, plus it'll give you a nice scent. Okay, so you go ahead and you mix that. And also know that with lime juice, lemon juice, any citrus, oranges, you can have a burning sensation. So be mindful of that, okay? I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse, I'm just someone who is a woman, and I know how to treat certain things, and I do so, and I share it with as many women as I can, okay? So you go ahead and you put the paste in your vagina area, and you leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes. Whatever you'd like to do, you sit on the side of your bathtub just to make sure that it is on your vagina up into your anal area, okay, and your anus. So you do that 1 to 3 minutes, you let it sit there, stand up, what have you, and then you rinse it off. And then you go back through and you do it again in that particular area. And then if you have anything left, of course, or unless you make a large batch of baking soda paste, put it underneath your arms. Put it underneath your breast area to deodorize that particular area. Put it underneath your buttocks area, because if you have weight back there, there's a fold, and you want to deodorize all of that and deodorize the back of your legs, and also put it in between your toes, okay? And then rinse that off in an exfoliant type movement with your body in circular motions, and then that'll be an extra exfoliant for your body. But the concentration is the musty vagina odor. So that right there will help you. So you don't want to wear panties as less as possible. I would normally say any panty will do, as long as it has cotton in the vagina area, but that's not so, because if we're going to treat the whole body as it is musty. So you're going to use a full cotton panty if you insist on wearing panties. And please wear a panty liner. Panty liners are your safeguard for not having any odor exude outside of your clothes. Once air hits the odor, that's when it starts to be it exudes a loud scent. So make sure your panty liners are changed once you go to the bathroom, because once air hits it, just like a sanitary napkin, it smells, and you may not think so because you're used to it. That's why you need to have freshness around you as much as possible. Again, because you know, a musty odor is, yes, it is organic to who you are, but that doesn't mean that it is something that the rest of us find pleasant about you. So work on those things, and I will work on all the things that I need to work on. And when you do decide to put a fragrance on, because you need your, don't, at this point you've let me go back. You've deodorized your body. You've put you've done the exfoliation, you've done the antibacterial soap, now you've done the baking soda with the lime, and now you don't cover it with perfume. You don't cover it with body splashes. You let your body breathe. That's where I'm going with the panties or no panties and cotton, and that it's time for the body to breathe. Give your body 14 nights or days with this program, and you will see a difference in your musty vagina odor, okay? And also, once you start